Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you are visiting here for the very first time. In today's video, I'm sharing simple and easy DIY ideas for my Christmas decor. I'm participating in the Crafting from My Sleigh challenge by Kiki from Kiki's DIY and Crafty Lenny. Both of them have amazing DIY skills and you should definitely check out their channels mentioned in the description box along with the playlist. Don't forget to check out the other creators too for some amazing Christmas inspiration. Also subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video and give this video a big thumbs up. So let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm making a snowflake wreath. It is very easy to make and is very less time taking, and I already had all the supplies with me at hand. Firstly, I took an embroidery hoop, and along with that I took a ribbon in ice blue color and then started wrapping the ribbon all around the hoop like so. Once the hoop is entirely covered, I glued all the snowflakes on the hoop like so. The wreath has already started looking so Christmassy and classy. You can stop here if you want, but I wanted to add some more details, so I added a star with bells ornament. I glued the star ornament to the bottom of the wreath using hot glue, and this is how it looks. Isn't it looking so simple yet so elegant? Do let me know how you like this wreath with the ornament or without the ornament. I hung it up on my main door and it looks gorgeous. For the second DIY, I'm making Christmas coasters. You can use them for yourself and they are amazing if you want to give them as gifts too. For that, I took these floral canvas pieces and I painted them black and off black. I did 2 coats of black paint so that there are no brush strokes, and on the other coasters I did kind of shading so that I achieve a black and white finish on 2 of the coasters. Once the coasters were completely dry, I took gold paint and with the help of a thin brush, I started painting the edges of the coaster. I did 2 to 3 coats of the gold paint, and once it was completely dry, the black and the gold looked absolutely beautiful and very glam. Then I sketched few Christmas signs on the coasters like a Christmas tree, gifts, snowman, snowflake, etc. Then using some acrylic paint, I started filling the patterns with dots. I used dots of different colors and different sizes to complete the entire patterns. I have used 3D cone liners as well as acrylic colors and dotting tools to make all the patterns in dots. You can use any other tool if you do not have dotting tools, or if you do not have 3D liners. You can use the back of pencils, small tip of the pencil. You can also use toothpick and earbuds. This snowflake pattern looks a little hard, but it's very simple. Just need to follow the dotting pattern. And I also made similarly in the dotting fashion. I made the Christmas tree, the snowman, the candy canes and the gift box, and they look absolutely adorable. I also painted the opposite side of the coaster black, and then I glued large snowflakes cutouts, and then it was another pattern that I could use as a coaster. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.